unit here is designed with an internal lithium iron phosphate battery. The capacity of the battery is 1280 watts, and it's managed internally by a battery management system which ensures that if anything starts to behave beyond the specifications, it will shut everything down. But coming back to lithium iron phosphate, again, it is the most safe type of lithium battery that you can buy. Okay, it doesn't burn spontaneously, it will only smoke, and it's extremely safe under most conditions. We have enclosed the unit, and again, this is our 1000 watt unit. We've enclosed it in a metal cabinet, and it is completely splash proof, and it is very stable, and it can't fall over. All right, so that's what we've done from a safety aspect physically. So let's look at the unit itself. It's a very attractive looking tower unit. It has a handle on top. It is still very, very portable. It's got a very simple battery indicator, an on-off switch, and again, it's got 3 lights which basically indicate AC, battery, or a problem. Okay, so this thing's not going to give you a history of what's going on inside. It's not designed to do that. It's designed primarily to power your TV, to power your workstation. Now we're talking about technical workstations where you do graphic designing or video editing, and it'll still in the background power your router and your ONT. So I'm going to turn it around, and it's going to lift it up so I don't scratch the table. Again, this is the back of the unit. You've got your DC breaker, you've got your AC fuse, you've got 2 outputs, your USB for computer communications, your battery expansion socket, and your AC. Very, very simple. If you turn it some more, you'll see there's a fan. This fan again is designed to be as quiet as possible, so it won't intrude in most normal homes. And that's the unit itself. Inside it delivers 1000 watts AC at a pure sine wave. Okay, so you've got a pure sine wave unit, so you can run medical equipment, you can run anything, it won't interfere with audio, and that's our 1000 watt ESS unit. Now, what happens if you want to expand this unit? I'm keeping to turn it around, show you the front of it. So now you've got this unit, you've got 1280 watts of power, and which means if you draw in about 600 watts, you can easily go through a load shedding schedule. But let's say you want to draw 1000 watts and you want to last for 2 hours. Then you need to add the battery pack. So I'm going to bring now. Oops. There's the battery pack. This adds an additional 1280 watt hours of power. So now you've got 2520 or 60, 2560. Now you've got 2560 watt hours, which means you can pull 1 kilowatt from this inverter and it will last for 2 hours or longer. Okay, how do you connect them up? I'm going to turn them both around again. Daniel will help me turn that one around. As you can see, the units, here's the power unit with the plugs from AC. You'll notice now on this battery pack, it's actually got an AC input. And the reason for that is when you connect these 2 units together, you can connect up to 4 of these battery packs together. But now this has got its own internal 20 amp charger, so it will charge its batteries independently. This has also got a 20 amp charger. So now you've got 40 amps of charging, which means your charge time stays the same. As you add more batteries, your charge time doesn't take longer. So now you can recharge this unit in under 2 hours, both of them together. Alright, so very easy to plug in. Again, the wire is made of silicone. Silicone wires, you plug it in this way, goes in there, goes in there. That's it, you've just doubled your runtime. If you want to, you get another cable to the next one, and so on and so on. And that's basically how simple it is for these units. Okay. So that's the battery pack, and this is the inverter. So I'm going to turn it back around. When you put them together, spin them around. When you spin them together, they look like this. A nice tower of power from Linkqage. Okay. Again, I can't more than emphasize, very simple. If you want USB, if you want to charge your cell phone, put your USB to mains charger in the socket. It's not built in here. Why is it not built in here? Because as an installer, you don't want the client bringing a whole power solution back to fix a USB port. Okay? This thing does the job it's intended to do, and it does it very well. And that's our 1000 watt ESS system.